Hello friends, this is Mohammed Motiwala and welcome back to my channel Smart Web Tutorials. I hope guys you all are doing well and safe in your place. So let's start the video. Today I am going to show you in this video advanced CSS hover effects on card using HTML5 and CSS3. In this web page, as you can see, I have created total 3 stack card which is appearing each of the box. When I move on my mouse to the card, so you can see the magic of advanced CSS style. So in this tutorial, I will let you know how to add advanced CSS hover effect on our website using pure CSS3 and HTML5. So guys, let's start the video. Before start the video, if you are new in our channel, so guys, I request you kindly press the red button and subscribe to our channel. So in future, every single week, you will receive one notification for our new tutorials. Guys, as you can see, I am open my editor which name is Sublime Text. Adding new file which name is index.html and adding some HTML5 standard format and title should be like advanced CSS. Just save this file and right click over the editor and open in browser. As you can see, screen are blank because we don't add any coding right now in body part except this title which is appearing over the top side. So let's start the coding part in the body. I am adding one class which name is wrapper and adding one more class which name is card, and in the card I am adding some child class which should be like I want to add some information, so class name should be info and adding one h2 which help to me display my title and adding one dummy text like this. And guys, I don't want to too much unnecessary data, so I am removing and add one variable in the card which name should be -1 and value is -1, and same as more variable is j and value is 1. So I want to two more card, so I'm just copy and paste 2 times and change the value which should be -1, over here 0 and over here should be like 1, and again in the j value is 1, so over here should be 2 and here is 3. I am just update the title which is 2 and 3. Just save and reload our page. So guys, as you can see, these type of interface are appearing. So I am just right click over here and open inspect element. After open the inspect element, I just want to add Google font because of best user experience view. So as you can see, I am just adding and then applying this font family in the body. So I am applying this font, as you can see this is applied, and I am removing margin 0 and I want to my text in the body horizontally and vertically center of screen. So I am adding display blacks property, align item and justify content center. Background color should be as per you relevant your project. I am adding as of now this color and adding some minimum height of the screen which should be 100 virtual height. And then I'm adding some CSS in the wrapper which is position relative which should be 1100 margin 0 auto, and then copy the parent class and applying some CSS in the card should be position absolute top and left side is 150 pixel percentage, and applying transform translate property should be -50% and -50%. Adding background color should be white, height should be 400 and width should be 300. Okay, I just want to vertically horizontally center this my information text, so just adding over here display flags, and as you can know justify content center. Same as applying transition property over here and copy the parent class and add info CSS which should be text align center. As you can see color should be like 444 has, and I am just adding padding 25 pixel and add some transition which is 0.5 second, and then I just top to increase this transform property which should be translate y should be 50 pixel, and then by default I don't want to display this. On hover I want to display my data, so right now I am adding this over here. As you can see I'm adding one more property in the transform which is rotate 40 degree, and then one more CSS should be skew minus 20 degree comma minus 10 degree. As you can see this type of interface are we can appearing, and then I am add some value in the top should be height value divide by 2, so 400 divided by 2 is calculating as we have added 50% comma 400 height of value is 400 divided by 2, so which is we just minus 2 pixel 200 pixel, and then recorrecting some value in the translate property I'm adding over here calculate total value of top divided by 2, so 200 divided by 2 which is 100 multiply each variable of value which should be variable name is minus I. So guys as you can see these type of interface are appearing, but as of now it's conflict of each box, so I just need to add some opacity, so I just adding opacity 1, but output are not same as our demo, so I just add one child class which is anti-h child of 1, and I'm just copying this for my reference, and let me check again. I'm adding anti-h child of 1. Okay, I'm adding in first card opacity should be 1, and same as second card should be opacity is 0.8. As you can see the difference, again I'm adding the third, but third card should opacity is 0.6. so guys as you can see the difference of our demo and our live demo output are same, but on hover I want to display my data, so let's do that. I just want to display my content on hover. Opacity should be 1. By default opacity is 0, on hover should be 1, and as you can see content should display bottom to top. So I just remove this translate y property on hover which is transform translate y property should be 0. As you can see the difference, but still my data is conflict of each box. So let me explain you. In the card there is some conflict CSS appearing, so I am just adding z index which is -1, but still these are not appearing. So let me calculate of each box value which is -1 multiply of each card of value which is -1 0 and 1. So I am adding variable value which is minus I. As you can see this is appearing perfectly good. So as you can see the value difference in the first box I am adding -1 0 and 1. If I am adding over here 0, so my box should be displayed in the second box. If I am adding 1, so my box is appearing the last. If I am adding 2, you can see the difference. So as per your requirement, you can add your card number of variable value. Okay, I hope you understand what I am trying to explain you. Let me copy this CSS for your reference. So I am just creating new file in the CSS, which name should be style.css, and copy this file name and add over here in the head tag, which should be link, and path is CSS folder, in the file name is style.css. Let me reload. As you can see, it's appearing like this, but on the hover I want to display my box each of the parallel size. So let me do that. Let's start that. I'm just doing on the hover. When I hover on the wrapper, my card should be position absolute, and top and left side should be 50 pixel, 50 percentage. As you can see the difference of box. I am adding opacity 1 and z index should be 1, but difference are not appearing. Let me copy the transform CSS which we have applying rotate and skew property. So I am adding transform and adding that CSS, but I don't want to add skew and rotate property on hover. So I'm just removing both of that, which is as you can see on the screen. As you can see, these type of interface are appearing, but as I just add some CSS over here, I am just adding some CSS in the translate property, which should be like calculating -50% plus, again calculate each box of width, which should be, as you can see over here, I am selecting width size is 300 pixel, multiply each card of variable value, which is variable value is I. As you can see the difference of hover property, but it's displaying bottom, so I just need to display top. So I am just adding over here comma -50%. As you can see the difference, but as I am explain you in the demo, it's appearing like space, so I am just adding just some space over here, 10 pixel. As you can see, I am just increase, so finally I am applying 350 pixel. So as you can see it's appearing properly, but animation are not displayed. Like first these content are appearing, and then second, and then third. So now we will apply in the same box. So I am going to check the hover content and go into the information. So I am just adding one animation property, which is transition delay, which should be appearing 0.4 second, but it should be not display by default, because I need to calculate it with the each box of the value, which should be 0.4 second, multiply variable value is j. Let me uncheck the box, and then you can see. So guys, as you can see the difference of hover effect. I hope guys you understand what I am trying to explain you in this tutorial. And then I just want to add some height over here, so it's not reflect of the screen. As you can see, I am removing my mouse of all the box. As you can see, first display these, and then other box display one by one. I hope you understand, and if you have still any query, you can comment me on my video, so I will definitely help you. Guys, if you like my video, so kindly like press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching my video. We will meet soon in my next video. Have a great time.